You know who else shows up every single day? Early, stays late, comes prepared, does everything that they can do under the sun to try to get a kid to succeed. Does all these things that matter on an everyday basis so that a kid has a chance. We do. And if you don't leave here with anything, if you don't learn anything about restorative practices, but you leave here inspired to go and be a better person for another kid, or you leave here, you feel empowered, or you feel motivated just to go back and be a change agent, then I'm winning.
The training has been absolutely outstanding. It's a whole child approach, and it starts with us building positive relationships built around trust for our students.
You're gonna have to say, I bless you with the permission to build relationships with kids. And you may even have to say, we can put relationships in front of content at the onset.
When we were kids, it seemed like we always had a great relationship with our teachers. And now, maybe not so much.
This training so far has proved to be not just knowledge, but also knowledge and practical application. Whereas in a lot of professional developments, you have someone who has a great theory base, but they really haven't applied it, or someone who has done some great things, but they don't really have the pedagogy to explain why or how they got there. And the presenters have been able to present both sides.
In this work, we've got to realize what we signed up to do. I mean, I get it. We signed up to teach. And so we should be teaching. But the crazy part about it is this: no significant learning can occur without a significant relationship. And for whatever reason, we're missing that boat. See, we've got to put relationships in front of content. That way we can deliver our deliverables and the kids get it. Because if the kids believe what we're selling and they buy into what we're giving them, then oh my God, we could change the world.